Hey, this is Marvelyn Brown with In a Word Business Services. So I wanted to point out some savings that you can take advantage of if you are a Rakuten member. So when you get ready to sign up for your Bluehost account, if you have the Rakuten browser button set up on your account, you're going to get a pop-up that looks like this. And if you click on that link, you're going to be able to activate $10 cash back. So what that means is you won't get it at your Bluehost account, but if you click on that button, activate the $10 cash back, when you go to Rakuten, when you go back to your Rakuten account, you're going to have $10 there that is cash money that you can either withdraw or you can leave it in and let it accumulate, whatever you would like to do. And if you're not aware of Rakuten, Rakuten is a cashback site. So what that means is you don't necessarily just have to use it on Bluehost. Anywhere that you shop online is probably a member of Rakuten. So whether it's Walmart or Target or any of the major department stores, they have deals on anything, pretty much anything, stuff for your home, apparel. They have deals on travel. They have deals on, appliances at various like Lowe's and places like that. So I'm going to put a link below this video that will explain everything that you can do with Rakuten. If you're not a member, it'll give you information on how to sign up, as well as how to install that browser button. Because every time you, for example, I have the browser button on my site, and when I came over to Bluehost to do this video, this little pop-up came up telling me that I could activate $10 cash back, and that will happen each time you go to your favorite stores to shop. The little button will pop up, or the little window will pop up telling you how much you can get back. And this is cash money. This is not, any kind of certificate or any kind of thing that you gotta, wait for. This is money in your account that you can use for whatever. So if you're doing a lot of shopping online, if you even with something like Bluehost where you're signing up to do to get a blog or whatever, lots of companies are affiliated with Rakuten. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off for now, but wanted to point that out as a way for you to get a discount of $10 cash when you sign up through Bluehost. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.